honest. In Tagalog, matapat. In Bisaya, matinud-anon. Honest, matapat, matinud-anon. Hardworking. In Tagalog, masipag. In Bisaya, kugihan. Hardworking, masipag, kugihan. Lazy. In Tagalog, tamad. In Bisaya, tapulan. Lazy, tamad, tapulan. Tagalog, tamad. Bisaya, tapulan. Shy. In Tagalog, mahiyain. In Bisaya, mauwawon or maulawon. Happy or cheerful. In Tagalog, masayahin. In Bisaya, malipayon. Masayahin. Creative. Creative in Tagalog is malikhain. In Bisaya, mamugnaon. Godly. In Tagalog, makadiyos or makadiyos. In Bisaya, Diyosnon or Diyosnon. Makadiyos, Diyosnon. Polite. In Tagalog, magalang. In Bisaya, matinahuron. Magalang, matinahuron. Loving. In Tagalog, mapagmahal. In Bisaya, mahigugmaon. Thank you everyone. See you.